Hi guys, for Let's Do Die Cutting Mondays, I did these flowers about a month ago. I did these, and I just did another one of these, and I said, wait a minute. Now I just opened these dies. It came with these, and it came with these. So I must have another set of these, because this one looks exactly like the one I did last month. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. Does that mean I have two dies? If I have the two exact same dies, which, guys, I must, I guess when we do bingo with Melody Maid, you'll get one of these dies, because I that means I got two of them. I don't know how that happened. So yeah, I'll have to check my dies and see. Yeah, I just lifted it up a little bit so you can see. But I made these. So these were the dies. Let me see if you can see. Those were the dies this time. And here's all the flowers I made. I left them flat for now. But as you know, you can just kind of lift them up a little bit and make them 3D, puff them out. You know, you can do all that. So it's 4 layers plus the little layer in the middle. So I made that one, and I made a gold one. I'll just leave them flat till I decide to put them on something. It's easier to store that way too. I got this one. And I think the best way to use these dies is to do like a different colors. Like, let's say you do pink, blue, pink, blue. That way you can see too. It'll pop out more. So, but I'm just going to leave them flat so I can store them in this cute little bag that Stace gave me a while back. And I made this one, and this one, and this blue one. I just put a little glitter mix in the middle that I made myself. Oh, these are my seed beads. I just put some art glitter glue, stick some of this, pat it down a little bit, and then shook it back in here, just on the middles. And on the outside, I usually do Wink of Stella, which I did with this one. You can see all the shimmer. And I put Wink of Stella on this one too. Yeah, I think this is a duplicate die. And so for these, I think I just made them. I'm going to do the Wink of Stella on these two. I just love Wink of Stella. It just gives it something when you don't want too much. Stickles are a little too thick, that's for certain projects. And I just love Wink of Stella. It's just enough for a shimmer. Let's do this one. These were just scraps I already had lying around just to do it quick. We all have tons of pattern paper, but this is what I had for now, just to demonstrate it. And then, we can use two-tone. Like I said, one of them could be pink and blue, or even all different colors if you want, because that's going to bring this out. It's going to bring out the depth, I think, if you did different colors. So I'll try that. In the meantime, oh, this one's really pretty. I used the yellow in the back for the middles, and then this one was cute, so I used it with that paper. I have so much pattern paper, and I am going to use it. I'm not buying any more. And when there's clearance, I'll get some. But other than that, I don't need any. I have stacks and stacks, guys. As you all do too, I'm sure. And I'm just going to use it up. I can't see buying more right now. So. Alright. So I Wink of Stella these bad boys. And they're ready to dry. I already did this one, but let's do some that I missed. Some petals here. You can see I missed some. Alright, that's it for today. So, like I said, I'll go in my dies. I think that's an extra one. I think I can give it away for bingo. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.